Hello, all my deaf friends. Hope you're all doing good and excited. Welcome to IMA. Today's topic. So, what's today's topic? Let's see. Yes, so today I will explain how to create a simple macro in Excel. Macro. What do you mean by macro? So, any job, any work you do, okay, in Excel, again and again and again, right? You use macro to automate that particular job. So, how? Let me explain. Say I'm working in Excel and every day I have to mail the report to my manager, right? So, I have to download the data, then I have to format the data, basic formatting finish, and then I have to mail to manager. Same task again and again and again I have to do. But if I use a macro, I can do it very fast and I can automate the job, which is possible. How? Let me show you. Okay, now let's see how do we create a simple macro. To create a macro, we have to enable macro options under developer tab. Now do a right click and click on to customize quick access toolbar. Check the developer tab and you could see I have enabled all the macro related options in this developer tab. If it is not enabled, please enable all these options and click OK. Now you could see all the macro related options in this toolbar. So you have record macro, you have view macros, you have controls, you have all the options to create and record a macro. Now, let me show you how do I create a simple macro. Now, you could see I have a pre-filled data with name, company name, total bill, and the page status. Now, every time I receive this kind of report, I don't have to go and format it again and again. So first time when I'm going to format this, I will record all the options by using a simple macro. Now, how do I do that? Click onto this icon, say record a macro. Okay. Now you can give whatever name you want. You can say format and you can click OK. Now you could see the macro had started getting recorded. Now I will do a basic formatting. I will just click onto the borders. I will make this as bold and all these things as center aligned. Okay, this to be center aligned and weekly report to 16 points, and I will put some colors for this. Okay, with this color, and even for weekly report I'll use the same color, right? This is done. Now I have all these numbers and I have to format these numbers. So do a right click and go to format cells, click onto numbers, and you could see decimal places. So I will use 2 points to decimal places, use 1000 separators, click onto this format and click OK. Now you could see all the numbers are getting formatted. Now this is what I wanted to do whenever I get this kind of report. Now let's stop the recording. Yes, stop recording. Yes. Now let me show you how do I quickly format this by enabling a macro, right? Now let me clear all the formats, okay? And click on to view macro, okay? Now you could see the macro which I created it, just say run and see quickly it gets formatted. Now I have one more option. Instead of going and identifying the macro which I have created, what I can do is I can just create a button, okay? Say controls and insert a button, okay? So I'll just create a button
and I will assign it to a macro. See, now this is the macro which I have created it. I will assign it and I will name it accordingly. So I'll say format. Okay. So the moment I click on to format, this gets formatted. Now what I have to do is I also have to identify the status which is not paid. So for that, I have to click onto this. I have to say go and identify with one particular color, right? And every time I have to do this, it gets a lot of time. So again, I would create a simple macro to identify the status. Again, you can record a macro, okay? And you can say color, okay? And say okay. And you can just say, yeah, this color, right? Now stop recording. Right. Now again, I will create one more button. Okay. Insert button. I will create one more button with and I will assign it to this color macro and I'll say unpaid status. Okay, unpaid. So I want to identify all the bills which is not paid. Now let me remove all the formatting. Okay. Clear format. Yes. Now the moment I receive this kind of data, I just have to click on to format. See, it gets formatted. Now, if I want to check all the unpaid status, just click on to unpaid, unpaid. That's all. See, within a single click, I can actually format a lot of data and this saves me a lot of time. How do I save this now? Do a Control S. The moment you do a Control S, it shows you an option. Okay, so now you cannot save this as a simple workbook because it has macro enabled. So what you have to do is you have to say Excel macro enabled workbook and then you can say report. Okay, you can say weekly report. Weekly report. And remember, you have to highlight this Excel macro enabled workbook. The moment you save this workbook in this way, the macro automatically gets saved in this particular workbook. Now you can click on to save. Yes, so this is how you create a simple macro and you save it. Thank you.
Hope you all understood how to create a simple macro. Wow, that's awesome. Great. Now, let me explain the benefits, right? First, as I've already explained, okay, any job which you want to do it again and again and again, you use a simple macro. And time save, okay, you can save a lot of time. Third, it also helps you in making charts and graphs, right? And you can finish the job fast. Hope you all understood. If at all you like this video, please message and please WhatsApp me. Right? If you have any doubts, okay, please message me or please mail me. Okay, I will help you out. Any new technical topics if you want, right? And if you're excited to learn, please message me. I will help you for sure. Thank you. Thanks for all the support. Thank you.